Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This video is about different beautiful hijabi DPs and hijabi girls, which is extremely beautiful, and the hijab ideas. Not only about images and DPs, you can also have idea from this how to wear hijab, which is extremely beautiful, different pretty hijabs that are ideal for casual as well as good to go beautiful outfit ideas with hijabs as well. So to those who are hijabi girls, these ideas are perfect for them. In order to watch them all, you have to just take on, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button, click on the notification bell icon, so whenever I upload a new video you will be notified and you can be the first person to enjoy the video entirely. And I'd also like to introduce to you my Instagram ID, my Twitter ID. I'm also on Pinterest. You can follow me there. Link is in the description box below. And over there I post really amazing, beautiful pictures, images, and videos. So whomsoever is interested, follow me there as well. And guys, stay tuned on my channel for all latest trending related fashion ideas, outfit, hairstyles, makeups, nails, and many more. And what about this one? If you have to rate this video from 1 to 10, what would you rate it? Comment down below. And these are perfect hijabi ideas, that scarves and scarf styles that in various ways you can wear it. And these are extremely pretty one. So different designs to wear and different beautiful ideas to wear stole, hijab, scarf, headscarves, and variations of color as well. So you guys can purchase it online as well, and you can buy it from Amazon as well. These are super stunning, gorgeous, incredible, magnificent hijabi styles that are super stunning, and I hope you guys will enjoy watching it and give it a try for yourself as well. If you are a hijabi girl, these beautiful trendy styles to wear hijab is perfect with a cap underneath your scarf, or this one with the Turkish style one. Okay guys, let me know down in the comment box, but look at this beautiful color. It's eye-catching and fascinating. Yeah, now let's come on to the topic that what style of hijabs do you love the most? Either the Asian hijab styles, or the Turkish, or the Arabs, or Iranians. Every single one of them has a different hijab styles, and each one differs from another. And if you guys want, I can upload videos separately on the hijab ideas and hijab styles. So which is your favorite? Comment. Personally, I love the Turkish because it's super decent one. So yeah, it fascinates me a lot. Now these are super stunning, super beautiful. You just don't need anything, just a hijab and the pin, and you're ready to go. The rubber pins are ideal for this, that if you tuck it in and it won't move, if you want it to stay on its place, so you can just use a cap underneath and it would be great. Okay guys, so that was it for today's video. I'll be up with next one, bringing you more such beautiful videos. Until then, share my videos. Take good care of yourselves and your family. Stay happy, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned and bye.